How the Turkic-Indians were destroyed. 1492. The year the native Turkic-Indians called the Cursed Bloody Year. It was in this year that Christopher Columbus set foot on the American continent, forever changing the fate of the native people. When he first landed on the Bahamas, Columbus wrote in his journal, "The people here are numerous. Despite their numbers, they face no hardship. There's plenty of food, they grow countless kinds of fruits, and they seem happy. If we conquer them and convert them to our faith, they will make excellent servants." After Columbus's voyage, countless ships poured in from Europe. The goal was clear: to seize new lands and wipe out or subjugate the native population. The Spanish king launched the New World expedition, and the Spanish were among the first to claim vast territories in the Americas. They took over fertile lands, seized crops, and brutally killed the locals, sometimes even feeding the bodies of murdered people to their dogs. In 1539, the conquistador Francisco de Chaves wiped out the Carua-Conchucos tribe, slaughtering 600 infants under the age of 3, a cruelty unseen in human history. Bartolomé de las Casas, an eyewitness, wrote about this horror in his work A Short Account of the Destruction of the Indies. At that time, the invaders could have been stopped, but the native peoples remained divided by tribes and clans, fighting each other instead of uniting against the common threat. Their internal rivalries gave the outsiders exactly what they needed. In 1622, the English near Jamestown fueled conflicts among more than 200 tribes, driving them to fight and destroy each other. This opened the door for colonizers to take more land. For centuries, the great civilizations of the Maya, Inca, and Aztec fell one by one, brought down by clever plots from outside and bitter divisions from within. Between 1500 and 1800, civil wars, deadly epidemics brought by Europeans, and forced relocations wiped out an estimated 80 million Turkic-Indians in North and South America. According to ethnographers, in the 16th century there were about 130 to 160 million indigenous people in the Americas. By the 1926 census, only about 7 million remained. In his book American Holocaust, 1992, David Stannard wrote that 100 million native people were lost in just 4 centuries. History forgets nothing. Those who study it see how the mistakes of the past can destroy the future. The tragedy of the native people stands as a timeless lesson. When unity crumbles, outsiders find their way in.